Down Periscope, Unraveling Naval Jargon for English Learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, down periscope. This phrase has its roots in naval terminology but is used in various contexts in everyday English. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Down periscope originates from submarine operations. A periscope is a tool that allows submariners to see above the water while remaining submerged. When the commander says, "Down periscope," it signals that the periscope should be lowered and the submarine will either dive deeper or remain submerged without revealing its position. This phrase is symbolic of discretion, caution, and a shift from observation to action. In modern English, down periscope is often used metaphorically. It implies withdrawing from a situation, lowering one's profile, or shifting from observation to taking action. For instance, in a business meeting, someone might say, "Let's go down periscope on this project," suggesting a shift from planning to execution while keeping a low profile. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace, after gathering enough market research, our team decided to go down periscope and start developing the product quietly. 2. In personal life, I've been observing the situation for a while, but now it's time to go down periscope and address the issue directly. When using down periscope, ensure it fits the context. It's not used for situations involving escalation or heightened visibility. It's about subtlety and strategic withdrawal or transition. Down periscope is more than a naval command. It's a versatile phrase in the English language that encapsulates a strategic shift from observation to action, often with an element of discretion. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of this phrase. Keep practicing and see how you can incorporate down periscope into your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language.